Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLB, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this hoe. How are you guys? I hope you're having a fabulous and sexy weekend. It's the word of the weekend, sexy. Speaking of sexy, this girl, Yota of Yota Style and I are doing, Yota and me and Yota, we are doing a collab together on slides, baby. Or if you watched my last video, slides. I don't know. Slides, honey, slides. I don't know how I ended up saying slides instead of slides. They're slides, guys. Anyway, I'm just going to show you all mine. She's going to show you hers, and hopefully you'll be entertained and it'll be, kind of interesting for you. I don't know if it'll be interesting, but it might be fun. It's funny that I have been sucked into buying all these slides this year, and it's nobody's fault. I didn't watch a video and think, you know what, I need those. I didn't, I don't know what it was. Subliminal? I do not know, but I have always been a slide wearer, but not to this extent. This year, I just said, blanket, I am going to wear slides, and I'm going to buy as many slides as I can. Now, that ended up being kind of a tragic mistake because, as you'll see, I'm going to start out with the ones that didn't get any love this year. I bought them, had to have them, put them in the cart. Yes, yes, yeah. Did not wear them one time. So I'll work my way up from never worn, but had to have, to, oh yeah, this was a great purchase. Like, I would buy these again and again and again. Slides that I've had in the past, they were a little too dingy and gross to even pull out. I actually probably should throw them away. There's a Nike pair, there's an Adidas, well, two Adidas pairs, and they were just too dingy and gross to show, and I don't wear them anymore. What am I doing holding on? Says a pack rat and a hoarder. There you go. There's your answer. All right, starting off with stuff I bought, didn't wear. These Champion pink slides. Okay, there is a rhyme to this reason. There's a reason for this. There is a reason I did not wear these, girl. They are a little tight, and that's going to be probably the story of my life on all of them. I did put one on and just kind of stand in it, and I was like, these aren't very comfortable, yo. They're kind of a harder plastic, too. Some of them are real spongy, like the ones that I'll get to that I wore a lot are really comfortable and spongy. These kind of feel hard. Of course, I didn't give them any love, so they might give a little bit and actually expand on me and stretch out a little bit to where I could wear them. I mean, it's the only time ever that I want anything to stretch out. But everything does. All the wrong things in my life do. Anyhow, these I love the look of, and I think they're gorgeous and they're fun, and I do have a really cute pink Champion shirt. It's actually a sweatshirt. You've probably seen me wear it. That I need to wear with these, but it makes no sense to have a sweatshirt with slides because slides are mostly for summer. I make no rhyme or reason. I'm telling you, I don't have any sense, man. But anyhow, these were still, they were like 20 bucks, so I don't think they were a bad purchase. I just think they probably won't be comfortable, and therefore I did not gravitate to them at all. Dropping them. Okay, so these I just bought. I actually just got these last week. I showed them to you in my summer haul video. I think they're going to be great. The only thing I worry about these is that edge with this kind of, that's kind of scratchy. Glittery stuff. It's beautiful, but she's like razor blades. She wants to cut me all the time. So I don't know that these will be great, and the white kind of makes me a little bit leery now that I look at them. They had several different colors. Why I didn't go with like the champagne or the black, whatever. Just dumb on my part, but I do think that the whites are going to be a little hinky. But I still have time. I am going to wear these. They do fit. I took the little thing out and tried them on. I'm just worried like this is going to bug the crap out of me. And for that reason, I'll be like, nope, she can't be, no. But yes. I don't know. Guys, and anyway, I don't know if you guys do this, but when I wear shoes in the house, especially my good stuff that I come up here in, I always Lysol wipe the bottom. And I was talking to Joshy on his live the other day or yesterday. He was talking about this very thing, and he's so right. Something about he saw a lady with a purse, her purse on the floor, and I was like, oh, honey, no ma'am, never, never, never. And the first reason I don't put my purse on the floor is because of that thing, that saying, like, whatever, purse on the floor, money never more, or whatever, you know. So that's kind of superstition. But this, the nastiness of a friggin' floor, man, people's feet, it just grosses me out. But anyhow, I do Lysol wipe all of my, actually all of my shoes, but especially my more, some of them I just flip off in the garage and just leave them in a pile. But yeah, if I'm going to wear them upstairs or bring them upstairs, girl, that's why I wear slippers all the time, because I ain't trying it. No, ma'am. Even though my floor is nasty anyway, who cares? But I don't know, the thought of bringing the outside in is... So, neither here nor there, just trying to make conversation. Never worn those yet. These I just bought too, and I have not had a chance to wear. I know I have too many slides and not enough time. There's not enough days in the summer and spring and the fall, for that matter, to wear these. I don't really go that many places right now, even though, you know, we're allowed to and stuff. I just, where do I go? The doctor, the dentist, I went to the hairdresser, you know, Sam's Club, the occasional Walmart or grocery store run. Oh, I guess I do kind of. I go to the mailbox a lot. Post office, yeah. Go to FedEx. I go to... So, I guess I do. I should just start... I should start wearing these. But these I bought because these that I wore one good time, I wore these all day one day, and they put a bad mark on the top of my foot. They're just, this part right here is just too tight. I mean, I guess I could wear them all the time and stretch it out, but I don't have the time, patience, or the foot strength to do that. I mean, it's just, I even tried to stretch these out with my little shoe stretcher. She wasn't going to budge. So guess what? I have these on a selling site because she's not the one. Not today, devil. But I will wear these because these I've tried on, took the little thing out and tried them on, and they're perfect. And you know, I bought a red pair too. They're over here in this bag that I have to get rid of because I don't understand sizing around the world. Isn't it just like us Americans to think we're the only people in the world and we're not? I'm just kidding, guys. Don't ever take me seriously. Seriously. All right. Oh, wow. So now we're going to get into the pairs that I have worn. Remember back in the spring and summer, early spring, early summer, I can't remember which, but a few months ago, I purchased what I thought were Gucci Bloom ones, slides, on Etsy. They were actually pretty costly. I just thought they were less than what a pair would be. So I thought, one pair and they're my size. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna get those. And then they never came. And then remember, the seller tried to fleece me out of more money and told me some uncomfortable information. So anyway, I got my money back. But fast forward to a couple weeks ago, probably 2 months later, these little jewels come in the mail. Yep. And I'm suspicious about them, to say the least. But I've already been refunded. The person that was selling these on Etsy is long gone. I can't return them. I don't want to try to sell them for the obvious reasons. And I did wear them. They're actually pretty comfortable and spongy, but I have my doubts and suspicions about these, and that's all we're going to say about this pair. Moving on, and I have worn those, by the way. So now we're getting into pairs that I do wear, or I have worn. These little jewels. So you see I haven't really carried the purple Coach pillow tabby. I know. I had to have it. Remember, I was obsessed. I was like, that's all I could see. And then these went on super sale. I got them for half price on the Coach website. Then the outlet ran them for $18 for like 2 hours one day. And I was like, yes. I think it was a mistake. I still think it was. But I bought a pair. I actually bought 2 pairs. I returned the ones to Coach. And then I immediately picked these up, 2 pairs, one in the 8, one in the 9. These are the 9s, and I sold the 8s. So, yes, girl, I wish I had 25 pairs of those, because that was a really good deal. But I have worn these once, girl, once. Even the sticker's still on the bottom. Check it. This thing does aggravate the top of your foot. It like... and not in a good way. So, yeah, the friction created by these, no bueno. I don't love. So, I'm kind of like in between. Are we going to keep these because they match this bag that I haven't carried? Or are we going to get rid of, decisions. But for $18, I mean, when I make a mistake and it's just $18 or $20, I don't feel so bad. But those $20 add up, girl. Now, we're going to get into the ones that I love and cannot live without and have rotated throughout the summer. These are my ride or dies. These are my loves, my sis, my one true, whatever. Okay. These, and I have a problem with these, but I've worn the crap out of these. But these were from ASOS. ASOS? It's not something I want for dinner, yo. But ASOS, yes. Girl, they look kind of like, they look like a brand or something. They kind of give me like Balenciaga vibes or Chanel bag vibes. I don't know. And I don't know that those people make these kind of sandals, but I got these and they're unbranded. Well, they're called Truffle, and they're for wide feet, so they fit me great, but they make my heels hurt, especially my left heel, which I think I have that plantar fasciitis, whatever it is, because, oh girl, I used to lose some weight, but I just think because these are cheaply made and there's really no give in these. I love the look of them. I love to slip them on and wear them around, but I can't wear them for long because they hurt. So if it's just a quick trip somewhere, yes, my homegirls. Okay. And these I have worn constantly, but I got these last year in a haul. Well, not even a haul. I did a vlog last year and we went to TJ. These were $3.99, these little Donna Karan joints. And I was like, yep, all day long. And they're so comfortable. These are the ones I wore when I had my breast reduction. You know, they tell you to wear loose and comfortable things. I wore these with socks to the hospital and wore them home. And I've worn the heck out of them. Like you can tell, these have been, oh yeah, she's had some love on these, honey. Okay. Top 3 pairs. Here they are. The joints that I made. My DIY project sandals or slides that I glued the fabric onto another cheap pair of and voila. I get more compliments about these and people say they love them and they're like, whoa, wow, you got some lube. I'm like, kind of, yeah. But I love these and I wear these all the time and they are comfortable. I didn't think they would be with this little thing up here, but they are very, very comfortable. So I slip these on. If we're going to be gone all day, shopping or something, yes. So I made a wise choice making these and DIYing these because these are great. Super, super good find and super DIY. My Coach Pride. So remember I bought the red ones, but they were the wrong size. So I had to sell those. I didn't even return them. I waited too long and then I had to sell them. But I got my money. I just got what I had paid for them, thankfully. But I bought these instead. Oh, girl. The blue, I loved the red. The look of the red was beautiful. But these are it. I just had these on today, actually, when I went to get my hair cut. And, oh, gosh. I did not do the trick of the nail polish. So my C's are rubbing off from my Coach. LV Lux girl, don't be mad at me. But yeah, she's the one that recommended that on one of her videos. And I was like, I'll do it. And then I didn't do it. And now you can see, even the DKNY ones, that stuff's come off. Your foot rubs right there. So I need to fix that. But I wear these all the time. They're super comfortable. Why are these so comfortable, but those from Coach, the purple ones, aren't? I guess because this is a different... They've made them different. I don't know, but I tend to love this just one piece of whatever over there. If you get too jazzy with it, my feet are like, nope, angry, sorry, get them off. But yeah, I love these. And they go with everything. And I have had people say like, oh, I love your slides. So this was the second best purchase of the summer, bar none, slides or anything. Love. The number one, y'all know what it is because you hadn't seen it yet, are these Gucci, girl, these Ken Scott, ooh, collabs. Yes. I love these like no other with I can't even tell you, with an undying passion and burning love. I can't even say enough good about them. Sometimes I'll wear the Coach and come home. We'll take a break from whatever we're doing. If I have to go back out, I'll just slip these on. Like, okay, yeah, I'll wear them both in one day. That's how much I love and interchange these two. And to the extent, the DIYs as well. But these, comfort, beauty, I don't know what else you could ask for in a slide, girl. Yes, so that is my slide video collab with Yota of Yota Style. Please go over. I will link her channel and her video actually, and go over and click in the description box if you haven't come over from there. If you have, thank you. Go over and watch hers. I'm sure it'll be a lot of fun, and we're going to see some stuff, girl. She's got some nice stuff. She's got like Hermes and stuff. So definitely, if you haven't gone over there yet, go over and check her out. Look at her. Beauty queen, hello. We're best friends. There you go. Do me a favor, guys. Hit the like button and also comment down below. I want to hear what you have to say. Good, bad, or indifferent. Hopefully it's good or indifferent, but the bad, my heart can't handle it. I'm like Celine Dion. My heart can't go on. I hope you guys have a great rest of the weekend. And before I say my catchphrase, I have to tell you, I have the most special video coming up. I'm going to say I'm going to load that up on Wednesday. Don't miss it. It is the biggest video I have had yet. There is an unboxing coming up, and it is going to be magnifique. Please, please, please join me on Wednesday. All right, have a great day. Listen, if y'all see my husband, ooh, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Yota, look into my eyes. You're getting sleepy, very sleepy. When I count backwards from 3, you will be under. 3, 2, 1. Okay, girl, do me a favor. Go on and box up that crystal Prada bag. Yeah, and send that to my house. Thank you. Okay, Yota, I'm going to count you back from 3. You're going to be back in the room. 3, 2, 1, and you're back. Did that work? Oh my gosh, I hope that worked. If it worked, I'm I'm going to try this trick on my husband in a little while, see if he'll give me some, a kiss, a big fat kiss.
Bam.